Yeah, so my journey at Augusta, at first I was pretty blown away with everyone, and I was just like, wow, these people really love working and like just want to be here until late at night, and they just want to make as much money as possible. And yeah, everyone was just like moving really quickly. So I had never worked for a company that had a performance-based system, and so to me it was just kind of like really intense because I had just worked hourly, and for companies where we just had, rather than having like just a lot of mows in a day, where we would be at one client's house for like all day. And we also do that at Augusta for projects, but I was mostly doing mowing, so it was just like quick mow jobs. And yeah, so it was kind of overwhelming at first, and everyone was just like, work, 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 work. And I would be like, hey, I gotta go home, I'm tired. But then I got in shape and I understood why everyone was like so willing to work, because you make good money if you work more. And ultimately, that's important in life too. And so yeah, once I kind of got accustomed to that and just realized, like, even though it was a long list of things on your phone in the morning, sometimes you'd be like, whoa, I have like 30 jobs to get to. But you just can't think about that, and you just have to start with the first one, do it nice and quickly, and then once you get moving, you have a good rhythm and you can finish all of them. So yeah, I think I also realized on a more like personal level that like I can actually do it, and I just need to start with the first job and continue, and like not second guess how difficult it is, or like thinking about the whole day. I just need to start with one thing and then keep going. So I think I kind of had to adjust my mindset of just expecting it to be a long day, but the more you think about it, it's not really going to help you out at all. So you just got to get started. And yeah, it's great because you get to be outside and working with other people. I mostly had my own mow routes, but when I was with other people, it was great because you got everything like done twice as fast and you would just fly through all your jobs. So that was really awesome. Yeah, it was really cool. I really appreciated how like informative all of the bosses were, and just working with everyone. Like everyone's just like here to get the job done, and that was, yeah, it's really nice to just have everyone being on the same page and having your bosses appreciate the work you do, because I will say that I've worked for a lot of companies where like your bosses just don't appreciate you. They don't tell you they appreciate you. And at Augusta, that's definitely not the case. Like everyone here is like cheering for you, just wants to do a good job, and end of the day, we're just like all one big team. So that's awesome. Yeah, and I would say that everyone in the company, the owners, like the office managers, everybody is just helping you out. Like I almost felt like they were there working for us more than we were here working for them. It definitely didn't feel like they, were just kind of like the higher ups and there was a hierarchy in any way. Like everyone's just here to help each other, and Mike would come out and do mows if we needed help during the really busy season, and he's here all the time, like part of our meetings, and giving us tips and advice. So yeah, it's really great. Everyone is definitely just here for each other, including all of the bosses. So yeah, it's great. Yeah, I definitely learned a lot working here, and I feel like all of the efficiencies and just like producing a good quality product, working as a team, having bosses who are encouraging of you and who are supportive of you, they're all lessons that I've learned here and could definitely carry on to whatever I do next. And I'm a firm believer that everything happens for a reason, and at first I just kind of took this job as something to do during the pandemic to make extra money, but I've learned an awful lot working here, and I'm really happy to have been part of it.